Tech tutorials are not the real problem for beginners. The problem is which tutorials you focus on, where you start, and what you try to learn first. For example, a newly enrolled tech beginner watching advanced tutorials on JavaScript, Python, or C++ is like a fresh undergraduate trying to write a final year exam. You will agree with me, in real life that would never work. And the same thing applies to tech and other professional fields. Beginners need to follow basic structural patterns, timeline, and roadmap for every stage of learning to avoid misconception and build proper understanding. Although some tutorials teach a bunch of codes, actions, but lack understanding impressions. At times, others teach theories, demonstrate methods without relating to real-world projects. No physical application and exhibition, and this affects deep and genuine understanding. Beginners love tutorials. They feel safe watching all alone. You follow steps, you get results, at least something works. But the moment you try to build something on your own, everything falls apart. And that's when people say, "Tutorials don't work for me." Tech tutorials are sometimes not designed for beginners. They're designed to show a result, speed up. But beginners don't need speed. They need clear explanation. Some tutorials may tell you what to type, what to click, what to install, but they don't tell you why. So when something changes, breaks, or behaves differently, you're stuck. You have no clue what went wrong. You didn't learn the system, you learned the steps. When you copy code and it works, feels like, yes, I did it. But that confidence is fragile. The moment an error appears, everything collapses. That's not because you're bad at tech. It's because copying doesn't build understanding. Tutorials are clean, mistakes are erased and not visible, and confusion is removed. So beginners assume, if I'm struggling, something is wrong with me. But struggle is normal. It's just hidden. Tutorials work best after you understand basics, not before. Using tutorials too early feels productive, but often slows real learning. Instead of switching from one tutorial to another, pause for a second and ask why. Analyze and break concepts into small ideas. Accept slow progress and try tiny experiments. Understanding grows when you struggle with intention, not when you rush through steps. Tutorials don't fail beginners. Beginners fail because nobody tells them how to use tutorials properly. Learning tech is not about speed. It's about clarity.